How to transfer money from PayPal to Capitec account? Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can transfer the money you have in your PayPal balance to your Capitec account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. First of all, in the right panel of your PayPal, you have a button that says add card or bank. I'm going to click on there. And you must link a bank account. What you must do is to complete the data, the bank name, the account number, the government ID type, and your phone number in order to link your bank account. Perhaps there are going to be some different data if you select checking or savings, and it depends on the country that you are in. Once you have done that, you can go again to your home page and you can transfer the funds of your PayPal balance, and you can transfer to your bank or some other apps. In my case, in my country, I have these apps, but if you select this, transfer to your bank, there are gonna appear the bank accounts that you have linked to your PayPal. You must select the one that you want. There's gonna be a fee, probably. Click on next, and that's how you can do it. That's how you can transfer money from PayPal to Capitec account. Thanks for watching.